The passage states, Amy Jackson is now satisfied with how fashion houses treat animals and has dropped her request to have her name removed from hide sign handbags. Note the mention of treatment of animals. Hide sign had identified an irregularity in the slaughter process at a farm in Bangalore and had warned the farm it would cease any relations should it continue to neglect its recommended procedures. Again, note the irregularity was found at a farm in Bangalore, and it was given a warning that there would be termination of all relations should the farm continue to neglect the recommended procedures of hide sign. So looking at the options, before which we have to look at the question, which of the following can be concluded from the given passage? So option A, Amy Jackson is not in favor of killing animals for creating consumer products. Creating consumer products is excessive. We don't know if her treatment of animals, if her concern for animals, as mentioned here, we don't know if that extends to beyond consumer products or not. She could be an all-out animal lover, but we are unsure of this. So A has reasonable doubt, ambiguity. We can eliminate option A. Moving to B. Hide sign is not concerned about animals, but is concerned about its association with Amy Jackson. Now, we can check the second part from their action. But do we know if hide sign is not concerned about animals? We cannot say this for certain. Thus, yet again, B has reasonable doubt. We can eliminate B. Looking at C, vendors of hide sign overlook the procedures recommended by the brand. There is a very strong generalization here, a very strong universalization. Vendors, we have the problem applying to a farm, one farm. Can we talk about other vendors? Yet again, C is incorrect and can be eliminated. Looking at D, Amy Jackson does not support unnecessary cruelty to animals. And hide sign values its association with Jackson more than its relations with the raw material suppliers. We see a lot of connections forming here. Amy Jackson directly connects, does not support unnecessary cruelty to animals. And we can see that unnecessary cruelty, this aspect, it is a key aspect here because she is now satisfied with how fashion houses treat animals and has dropped her request to have her name removed. So how fashion houses treat animals is one of her key concerns. And then again, she has dropped the request to have her name removed from hide sign handbags. when we see that Hydesine handbags are made out of animal skin or leather made from animals, we'll realize that she does not have reservations against all cruelty to animals. She only does not support unnecessary cruelty. And when the procedure, the slaughter process of Hydesine was changed, she accepted that her name should be put on the handbags. And then again, Hydesine values its association with Jackson. Yes, as we can see from the actions taken by Hydesine. So we finally get that the best answer is option D.